Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. I got another case for the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Then this is the NALLOT case. We're going to go ahead and get started and take a look at this. Okay, you can get this case from Amazon. It's the NALLOT Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra case, shockproof, dual layer protection, lightweight case for the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Now there's some pictures right here. You got a dual layer, you got a little pattern on the back right there. It thought it looked nice. We're going to see what it looks like when you put it on a device. Fairly slim, thin and minimal, but we'll see what that's like when we put it on. But I like the way it looked though, and you see the dual layer right there, okay, for the S22 Ultra. It's got some raised areas for the camera and everything, and we're going to see how that works, all right? Now, you can get this in different colors. You can get it in black, blue, forest green, and red, all right? And $14.99 on Prime, okay? I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. Okay, here's the box that comes in right here. Pretty minimal box. Let's pull this. Then we got a bit of tape here. I got to get that off. Okay, pull this out of the wrapper there. A little bit of plastic in there, nothing else in there, okay? Let's put this to the side right here. Now, here's the case right here. Nice looking case. As I said, you got that little pattern right there that you can feel on the back. And it's not too slippery. You got the silver buttons here, chrome buttons. That's a nice little touch there, I think. And you got your opening for your charging port. Looks like it's big enough for the mic. And your speaker and your S Pen, that's big enough right there. You got nothing on this side here. And you got your mic hole up top right there. It looks pretty big. Volume down rocker and your power button right there. No other branding on the side, all right? Nothing on the back as well. Now, the camera is finished and it's raised up a little bit. I think that's going to be well protected, but not too, big there, obtrusive. Now this is a dual layer case, and you can see right here where the separation comes, where this sort of more hard back goes over this TPU right here, okay? So it does separate, all right? Hopefully that's not a problem when you put it on the device, okay? Now, got a red pattern inside for shock absorption. And the sides are fairly, got a little bit of thickness to them. Not too bad though, but hopefully it doesn't look too big. Now this is raised up right here on the top and bottom, so that's going to protect the front screen. And we'll see how that works, okay? Now let's go ahead and get the device and put it inside and see how it looks. Okay, we got the S22 Ultra right here. Let's go ahead and put this inside. Hopefully this has a nice tight fit, and I think it does. Fits nice and tight, yeah. So this actually is not bad. Now this only got 4 stars on Amazon. I'm not sure why. It's pretty symmetrical. It's got a little bit of width to the sides, almost like the Neo Hybrid. But it's a nice looking case, all right? And you see the camera is well protected there, so my finger slide over that, no problem. And you got your power button and everything that works well, nice and smooth. Everything lines up on the bottom right here. You got your mic opening and your charging port, speaker, and your S Pen. No problem, you can get to that. And pretty smooth on the side. You got your mic hole right there. You can see that. That's well lined up. And this is not a bad case. 2-piece design, a dual layer, so you're going to get some protection there. And the sides have some extension there, so for protection, and also the bottom. You can see right there, you got a little bit of thickness at the bottom and the top as well. So this is a good protective case. I still wouldn't throw this across the room, but if you have waist-high drops, you're going to be fine with this case right here. Now you can see the lip comes up over the glass right there. So when you set this down, you're not going to have any problem with it being protected, okay? Now let's check out wireless charge and see how that works. Okay, we got the wireless charger right here. So picked up wireless charge, no problem there. Let's see what happens when we stand it up. So pick up wireless charge standing up. Let's lay it down on the side and see what happens. Okay, so it is charging. It didn't get the animation, but it is charging. So it's the animation right there, okay? So it does charge in all positions. No problem there. Okay, so that was a quick look at the NALLOT dual layer protective case for the Galaxy S22 Ultra. I haven't used them before, but it's a nice case. For the price, I think it's a decent buy. So it's going to give you some decent protection. It's it's not as grippy as the Neo Hybrid, but it's not too slippery either. Not the slipperiest case I've used. So you'll be able to manage, okay? A little bit wider on the phone. not too thick, okay, but good protection. Now, I will put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. Now, if you got any questions, hit me up in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for videos like this. This is Lawman FJ. Out.